Hey kids, today let's draw a rainbow together.
Let's draw a rainbow together.
Okay, let's get started.
Okay.
Okay, first let's draw some clouds.
Let's make a cloud.
Let's draw two bumpy circles.
Let's draw a bumpy circle.
Great! We have two cute little clouds now.
Cute clouds.
Let's make 8 rainbow arches.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 arches. Cute clouds.
Now let's color the rainbow. Do you know how many colors are there in a rainbow?
7 colors.
What is the first color in a rainbow?
Red,
Now let's color the space between the first and second arch red. The next color is
orange,
now let's color the second ring orange. Okay, what's the next color?
yellow,
The next color is
green,
okay, what's the next color?
blue, indigo, violet.
There you go. Now you have a beautiful rainbow.
Colorful rainbow.
Now let's make the cloud pretty.
Wow, awesome! Here you have a rainbow.
Isn't it beautiful?
Awesome! Please subscribe to my channel.
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.